Hello, I'm Andrea, collaborator of Spotahome, and today we are in this apartment located in Valencia. So as soon as we enter to the apartment, we find this living area, which the first thing we're gonna see is this large TV, and in front we have this sofa and also this lamp, the coffee table, and if we move on, we find a fridge, the freezer, and the fridge here. Because we are in the kitchenette area now. It has the washing machine here in the bottom. Also, we have the oven and the microwave, and also the cooking top, which is an induction one, the coffee machine, and also the sink. Here we also have a dishwasher, and next to it we have this large table, perfect for 4 people. This is the whole view. And then if we move on, we find the bathroom. This bathroom is fully renewed. It has the shower, mirror, and also this sink with the drawers on the bottom, also the toilet. And next to this bathroom we find the bedroom. So this bedroom has a double bed, also 2 nightstands, a wooden bag, and on the front we find this wardrobe, a wooden wardrobe. Also, when we enter to the bedroom, we can see we have a mirror and some cabinets. And as I saw also in the entrance, we can find the air conditioner on top. And that's everything for this apartment. Thank you and see you in the next one.